Alright guys, welcome to another fun unboxing. Hopefully we'll see what we got here. Amazon shipped something out again. And I'm gotta say, if you have Prime, if you can afford Prime, it's definitely worth it. It seems to be the fastest way to get your products shipped to you conveniently. Tried a lot of different companies, Walmart, eBay, Banggood, but none of them seem to send you stuff as quickly, so there you have it. Anyway, let's see. This box looks pretty cool, gotta say. There's a bunch of stuff that you might want to read in your own time. You gotta turn the video for that. And, well, it's called Katchy Auto Magic. Katchy Auto Magic. Wow.
Likey